The purpose of this video is to help you create your own personalized iGoogle account. But first you must create a Google account. Creating a Google account is an easy task that will allow you to explore some of the features Google offers, such as using iGoogle personalized start page on multiple computers. First, you'll need to direct your internet browser to Google, such as I've done so already. In the Google search menu bar, please type in iGoogle. Once you've done this, please click the location that says iGoogle. You should be brought to the iGoogle location such as this here. In the upper right hand corner, I want you to actually click Sign In. From this location here, you'll be able to use your email address and password created previously when you created your Google account. This will allow you to access and start your iGoogle account. If you do not have a Google account, you'll need to create one. If you would, please click the Create a Google Account now. Once you've clicked the Create a Google Account icon, you'll be brought to this page here. Please follow the directions and enter the required information, such as your email address, and choose a password in starting your iGoogle process. I'm going to go ahead and get this process started by completing this Create an Online Account offline. Once you've completed the steps in creating your Google account, you should be brought to this page here. I call this the generic iGoogle home page. Here you have your home icon. You can access YouTube, date and weather, Gmail, which is Google Mail, CNN, and your Google Calendar. And here it's basically labeled in separate different areas. First, we're going to actually change the theme. If you would, click Theme right here for the classic theme. You're presented with a wide option and variety of different themes. You can scroll back and forth and pick the theme that actually suits you best. I think I'm going to pick this one that's labeled Mine, M-I-N-E. I'm going to add it now, and now my Google theme has actually changed. I'm going to go ahead and close that. If you want to, you can actually go ahead and play with some other things and add neat stuff. I'm going to click Neat Stuff. I love virtual monkeys and virtual animals. I'm going to type in monkey and see what it presents me with. Okay. We have an interactive monkey and a virtual pets virtual monkey. This is the one I'm going to use. If you like, you can go ahead and type in any type of animal or your favorite pet or whatever that you would like. But I'm going to go ahead and click my virtual monkey now and see what it presents me with. Once you've selected the animal or pet that you like, you can go ahead and click the Back to iGoogle Home. Okay, there's my monkey. I'm going to go ahead and play with it just a little to see how it works. Depending on the pet or animal you actually choose, if you decide to choose one, I'm not definitely sure the interactive possibilities it's going to actually have. So my monkey actually works perfectly fine. Next, I'm going to go through and click each icon and actually see what it allows you to do. The next icon is labeled Date and Time. If you would, click the little square right on that Date and Time menu. It actually brings you to a location where you can actually set the date and time, and then all depending on the location and the country you're in, you can actually change that also. I'm going to go ahead and click out of that since my date and time is already set and correct. We also have a Google Calendar. Okay, here you can organize your schedule and share events with friends. Share your calendar, get your calendar on the go. Never forget an event. Just basically re-sign in with your password that you've created when you created your Google account, and you'll be able to access that information. I'm going to go ahead and get out of that. If you like, you can go ahead and play with that some more later. Also, here's CNN News, and you also have access to YouTube if you want to keep it there. With the YouTube icon, it basically brings up just like a normal regular YouTube page. You can actually click on the videos, or you can actually search YouTube for a different event if you like. I'm going to go ahead and close that. Also, I just want to also bring to your attention, there's also a little arrow in each little icon that's pointing downward. If you actually click that, you can edit the setting, you can delete this gadget, minimize the gadget, share the gadget, and it also gives you a location when you can actually click to find different more gadgets of your liking. If you scroll down just a little, it actually have the weather information. I'm actually in Columbia, South Carolina, but the information is temporarily unavailable. Also, it gives you access to your Gmail account, which is your Google account. You all should have access to a Google account since you've previously created your Google account to actually start your iGoogle page. You've just finished the process of creating your iGoogle account. Please feel free to roam freely and set the icons to your liking. Congratulations, and I hope you enjoy your iGoogle process.